We're on the platform right now, about to get inside the submarine. It's getting real. Jeez. I'm a little nervous now, boys. All right. She's out. All right. There you go. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, yo. Alright, we're inside the submarine right now. You got the owner right back there, Stockton. That's the toilet.
Too bad.
Hopefully we don't have to use that.
Had a little water leaking in the tank.
Then
They'll put a vacuum on.
Alright guys. We're sealed. We're in here. Alright, we're inside and sealed in the submarine. I'm excited. First time in the submarine. It looks really cool in here too. So I like what you did with the place. Looks cool.
You should have seen my bonnet.
Yeah. Keep in mind what you're looking at right now is the exact same submersible that imploded and killed 5 people. And also any footage you see of Stockton, of course, you know, he's passed away by now.
Tell them we're at 600 feet.
Titan is ready for dive. Stockton's like, hold on everybody. I guess we're about to go head first like this. Oh, we're going right now? Watch out for the toilet. Oh, we're doing it. Oh my God. We are all upside down right now, you guys see that? We're underwater. So we're officially underwater in a submarine right now. 33 feet, I believe, right? About 10 meters.
33 feet.
Are you ready for unlock, or are we unlocked? Is he saying we are unlocked, or are we ready for unlock?
Yes, say, give him an okay. Give him an in the dome.
Yeah. So what does that mean?
He's going to go pull the mechanical lock, and we're going to see how the pneumatic lock is doing. And there's a chance we'll pop off.
How deep is Titanic? Well, it doesn't take long before we pass the world's deepest diver and enter a world of complete darkness. We pass the hunting grounds of sperm whales, yet there's a long, long way to go. Finally, at 12,500 feet, we find her, where she sunk more than 100 years ago.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's bias. A little higher next time you're in.
I'm about to come. Oh my God, I'm about to
صلى الله على محمد